Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, in today's video we're going to learn how to create a guessing game using Python on Termux. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is to install Python into our terminal. So apt get install Python and then wait for the installation to be completed. And then apt get update and get upgrade y. This one is going to update and upgrade our terminal to the latest version. Now I'm going to create a new folder. So mkdir game, let's just make it uppercase. So game cd for change directory games. Okay, let's clear the terminal. Now I'm going to create a folder where I'm going to store the script. So touch main.py. Okay, so now I'm going to write the whole game using vi, which is a Termux variable editor. So first of all, I'm going to import a library called random. If you don't know what a library is, a library is just many programs written by many people around the world, stored on an online server. After that, I'm going to define a function with the keyword def, and then give a name to that function. In this case, I'm going to call it game. To make it simple, inside that function, I'm going to call a print statement, which is going to be used to show off something on the screen. In this case, I'm just say, okay, welcome to the guessing game. You have to realize that there is a space between word def and print. That space is called indentation. By convention, we say like it's for space. So from the first word, which is def, after I put like for space after the def to make sure to tell to the computer, okay, this code written after the def, the first line, is inside it. So just to say like the function is going to be the parent, while the print in the rest of the code indented inside that function going to be the child. Okay, after that, I'm going to create a variable which is going to store the random number which is going to be generated by the computer. So I call it the library, which is random.randint. Randint is just a script inside the library, inside the random library. So I just, okay, from that library, I'm going to get this. From that script, I'm going to generate a random number from 1 to 50. After that, you just create a variable, another variable. And then this variable is just going to store the number of time our user is going to enter value. So first of all, it's 0, and then I'm going to loop over a script. So while true, meaning like as long as my code doesn't break, keep looping over and over again. So in this case, as long as my code doesn't break, I'm going to try. First of all, try. This was just to catch any error it can occur. So first of all, try guess. Guess is in this case a variable which is going to store the user value. So guess int is just integer, meaning to convert whatever the user is going to enter as an integer. And then input, which is just to get the user a value, and then I'm calling again the variable I created earlier, attempt. So I'm saying, okay, when a user enter a value, go to that variable and then add it 1. It just kind of basic. Now I'm going to start the operation. So if the guess number, the number of what the user entered, is less than the number created by the computer, then print. I'm going to get a print statement to say your number is too low, try again. And then otherwise, else if the guess number is greater than the number generated by the computer, print the number is too high, try again. And then lastly, if it's not greater or lesser, so it's probably equal, so I'm going else. If the value are equal, then print. I'm going to format this statement because I'm going to call a variable, so f. Now I'm going to say congrats, you have guessed the correct number. And now I'm going to recall the variable using bracket. So attempt, now I'm just calling the variable time. Now the attempt will be replaced by the number of times the user did try a value. Okay, this is my try. Now I'm going to accept. In case the user didn't enter any number, he tried like to enter a word. Now accept value error. Now I'm just catching the error. So if any error occur, I want to say, okay, if there is an error, tell to the user, please only please enter only a number. This one just to print to tell him, okay, something went wrong. This is like the why this something went wrong. Lastly, I'm just going to now run the whole code. Man, now just calling again that function. So okay, I'm telling my function, okay, run this code. So if the name of the script is main, run the code. Oh wait, I forgot something. Wait, excuse me, come back here. I actually forgot to break because it's a loop, or otherwise we just keep looping all over and over and over and over again. Okay, break. This means the breaks. That break keyword is just like to say if the user gets the correct number, stop. So I'm just saying the code to stop. This just to break the whole looping, so it doesn't have an infinite loop. So I'm going to run the code python main.py. Welcome to the guessing game. Guess the correct number between 1 and 50. Okay, let's try 1. Too low. Okay, 5 maybe. Okay, you have concrete. You guess the correct number in 1 time. But there is something wrong. It seemed like I did something. Let me try again. Python main.py. Welcome to the guessing game. Try 5 too high. 8 too high. Wait, I'm done. 10. Wait, wait, nah. Let's try 3. Too low. 4. Okay, here. Nah, okay, I was right. There is clearly something wrong. It didn't increase the number of time I did try. Okay, so let me go back to my code and try to see what's wrong. Oh yeah. Yeah, here. You can see I did equal plus 1 instead of plus equal 1. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, let me delete this. Plus equal 1. Yeah, this is the correct way of doing that. So let me save and exit. Now let's try again. Python main.py. Welcome to the okay. Let me try 15, like 25 now. Too low, 35 probably. Too low again, 45. Too high. Okay, maybe 40. Too high. 38. Let's go. Too high. Okay, 37. Great. Now everything's work as wanted. So this is seem like pretty, yeah, this is good. Let's again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next Friday for another videos.